hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we have our September 2019 ScentBird. For those of you that do not know, ScentBird is a monthly perfume subscription. It is $14.95 a month with free shipping. And I say perfume subscription lightly because they now offer so many different options. They have makeup, they have candles, they have skincare and perfume, and they have over 500 different designer perfumes. And you get a 30-day supply with the perfume, but honestly, it really does last longer than 30 days. But you also, like I said, you can select to put into your queue for candles, makeup, skincare. So there is a great variety, and that still is included in that $14.95. Now there are some products in the makeup and the skincare that, because they're full size products like Glam Glow, Glow Recipe, I want to say Elemis, Perlice, that you may have to pay an extra $5 or $10 if you select that item, but there are some that you don't. So I will put a link down below. That link will actually get you a free month. So if you use that link, you'll pay for 1 month and you'll get a second month free. So that's really awesome. But we're gonna dive in here. I don't even remember. This is obviously a perfume. I haven't gotten a perfume in a couple months because like I said, they last longer than 30 days. And so I was getting I got a 5-pack of the Pearly Sheet Mask 1 month. I got some Saturday Skin Under Eye Cream. So I've gotten some different things, but this is perfume, but I don't remember which one. So let's find out. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate it. I apologize. I should have said that at the beginning. And if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. We always have a great time. We have a couple different giveaways going on right now. And we always have giveaways, honestly, going on. So definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our family, enjoy the fun, enjoy the live streams, the unboxings, and we do all kinds of unboxings. But so here we have our perfume right here, and thankfully it does tell you, they send you a card, and I selected the Juliet Has a Gun Vanilla Vibes. Because one thing I do like is if you've never smelled a perfume, ScentBird does give you the notes and describes the perfume, the scents to you. So you can kind of go based off of what you know you like. And this says a delicious and exotic perfume that floats on layers of sea salt and spicy vanilla, rising up from a warm, dry base of sandalwood absolute. So it tells you there. So that sounded like something I would love, and I did recently fall in love with, and how I've missed it, I don't know, but the Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. That stuff smells fantastic. So I am so excited and curious to see, you can see here, Juliet Has a Gun, Vanilla Vibes, to see what this guy smells like. I don't smell anything yet. Oh my gosh. Y'all, oh my gosh, that smells so good. Now I do have the little tube that you can put this in to twist up and replace monthly if you choose to get just the perfume each month. That comes with your first order. But y'all, that smells good. And to me, even though it smells amazing, and I would wear this all the time, but it definitely, and maybe it's because of the vanilla or something, and it's a spicy vanilla, this is definitely like a fall scent. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, so if you're looking for a really, really good, sweet, spicy, just amazing scent, delicious and exotic, I guess that is the best. They nailed it with the description. Sea salt, spicy vanilla, warm dry base of sandalwood, and just something that smells amazing for fall. This is it. The Juliet Has a Gun Vanilla Vibes. I recommend this 100%. Smells fantastic. So like I said, I will put that link down below for ScentBird. Like I said, it will get you your second month free. And it's again only $14.95 a month with free shipping, and you can choose again between amazing smelling perfumes, makeup, skincare, and even candles. And I think I have a candle next month. For some reason, I'm thinking October I've got a candle coming, so I'm excited to see that because y'all know I love me some candles. So again, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.